Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I gave AZ-900 exam this weekend and I got 942 out of 1000. If you are preparing for AZ-900 exam, then this video is for you. I prepared for this in around 3 and 4 days with two simple steps. So let's talk about the two steps which you need to follow to clear AZ-900 exam. Step 1. Watch this YouTube video. This is 3-hour video only. You need to take a copy pen and make note of each and everything he has explained in this video. I have given the link in this description. Step 2. This is very important. Give a practice test on Udemy. So the practice test I gave was really good. 99% of all my question in the real test was from the practice test. Best thing about the practice test is if you give wrong answer, after the test completion we'll get the explanation of all the questions, which makes it very easy. So don't skip the step. Make sure to give all the practice tests because there's very good chance that all your question from the real exam will come from the practice test. I have given the links to the practice test in the description with some discount coupon for you. Thank you so much for watching and good luck for your exam.